my name is Dragoș Șupac. ...1912. Titanic. Original?
Da, de la un magazin din New York.
Și când te gândești că oamenii chiar credeau că nu o să se scufunde. This is so...
I have no idea how this plays without electricity.
Vibrations. The plate has tiny grooves. They shake when they spin. And that makes this little membrane move, which is kind of like a speaker.
So, your grandfather, is he sick or?
Yeah, he cannot talk or walk. Stroke. The state gives me a tiny bit of money because I'm his caregiver. He doesn't have anyone else. Neither do I.
But you're...
Died.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tataie? Vin acuși acasă, scuze, n-am avut baterie la telefon, da? Bine, pa.
What's going on? Should we call an ambulance?
No, he's okay. He tells me with his breathing. It's okay. He was in prison for a very long time when he was young.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But why? Did he like murder someone?
Thank you. This means a lot.
No worries. Glad I was able to help.
Maybe you will meet him one day.